Hello everyone. Let us solve P1 past paper questions, January 2024. So let us start from question number 1. Let us start question number 1. We are going to integrate the given expression, and first of all, we shall expand the given brackets and then we shall apply the integration part. So first of all, we take the two factors. Here we have 2x minus 5 times 2x plus 5. If you remember the formula a square minus b square, this becomes 8 plus b times a minus b. So we apply the same formula here to get the expression, keeping this 2x as a and this 5 as b. So we get here 2x square minus 5 square. And we open the squares, then we get here 4x squared minus 25. Here we have another factor to be multiplied with, so then we get here 3x plus 2 times 4x squared minus 25. Then we apply FOIL method here, so it becomes 3 times 4 is 12x cubed. Right? So we multiplied it. Now we multiply this 3x with 25. So negative 3 times 25 is 75x only. Now we multiply this inner part 2 to 4x squared. So we get here plus 4 times 2 is 8x squared. Then we multiply 2 with negative 25. We get here negative 50. Now we got the expression in the polynomial form and then we are going to integrate it. Like here, we can write here 12x cubed minus 75x plus 8x squared minus 50 and then whole dx. Now we apply the formula. As you know, the formula of integration, that one is if you have k x power n. K is a coefficient of x, which is having power n. And if it is equal to y, and if you integrate it, y, and then write here dx, we integrate that. Here it becomes k x power n dx. We get here k as it is, x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So this one is the formula we are going to follow now. Because 12 is a coefficient, we are going to apply this formula on each and every part of term of the given polynomial. So we apply and we get here 12 as it is, x power 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. Now we have the next is negative 75 as it is, we write as a coefficient, and x power nothing here, it means this is 1. So we write here x power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1. Then we take 8x square plus 8x square means we are going to apply formula 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Then we have negative 50 means negative 50. This time we write x only because nothing here with 50 means x power 0, which is 1. So we write here x only. Then we add one thing which is constant unknown c. This is for the rule for integration. Then we are going to simplify it more. Now 12 x power 4 upon 4 minus 75 x square, because 1 plus 1 is square. Down here also we write 2 plus, why? Because 1 plus 1 at the bottom it was 2. So here 8 x power 3 upon 3 minus 50x plus c. Now simplify. 4 times 3 is 12. So we have 3x power 4. Then minus 72 upon 75 upon, here we can remove it, 75 upon 2 x square plus 8 upon 3 x cube minus 50x plus c. This is the answer for question number 1. Hope you understood it. Now we start the next question. The next question is, the triangle ABC is such that AB equals 15 centimeter. For that purpose, we have to draw the triangle first. So AB is 15, AC is 25, angle BAC is theta degree. Area of a triangle ABC is 100 centimeters square. The given thing is, we have to find the value of sine theta, and the given thing is theta is greater than 90. It means the triangle is obtuse triangle. So we can draw this triangle in a way which is having obtuse triangle, and we can write it as angle A because it's the vertex in between. BAC is theta, so we have to write A on this vertex where we are having angle theta. If it is A, okay, and then here AB. So we can say that AB is 15 centimeter, and this vertex will be C, and its AC is 25 centimeter. We have to find sine theta's area of triangle 1 by 2 times A times B times sine theta. So we apply the values. 1 by 2 times A is 15 times 25 is B, and sine theta, which is equal to 100 centimeter square, which is already given to us. Okay. So we are going to move this 1 by 2 other side, 15 and 25. We have sine theta, which is 100 times 2 upon 15 times 25. So when we solve it, we get 25 times 1 is 25, 25 times 4 is 100. So it became 8 upon 15. So our answer that find the value of sine theta is equal to 8 upon 15. Hope you understood it. This is answer for part A. Now we look at part B. Find the length of BC. We have to find this length. So whenever we have this situation, when the two sides are given, one angle is given, but the pair of angle and opposite side is not given to us, then we use cosine rule. So what is cosine rule? This angle B side BC, or we can say that this angle, yeah, that will be BC square is equal to 15 square plus 25 square minus 2 times 15 times 25 times sine of theta. So what is that angle theta? For that, we have to find out from here angle theta equal sine inverse of 8 upon 15. So it becomes 32.23 degree. But here we are given that its theta is greater than 90. Then we can make it equal to 180 minus 32.23. So it becomes 147.769, or we can round it up to 2 decimal place with 147.77. Now here we can write this is 147.77 and apply this theta angle in this formula. So we get here sine of 147.77. And when we solve it with the help of calculator, we get the answer. Answer becomes 38.5 centimeters, which is answer of part B. Hope you understood it. Thank you very much for watching.